Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. So today in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how do you open a shop or second shop on eBay. So firstly, what I have to do is log into your eBay account. And you need to make sure you have a seller account. So if you need help with creating a eBay accounts or seller accounts, we have a separate video on our channel which you can look into it for a detailed information on it. So I assume you have an account already. So once you have already have an account, so log into your eBay account. Once you've logged in, so what you have to do is click on your my eBay option here, and you go to your selling page. Click on selling, and under selling, what you have to do is you have the store option here. So this is where you will find all your stores here. But prior to do that, what you have to do is you need to buy a subscription in order to sell on eBay. So like, I mean, in order to properly set up an actual store on eBay, so on a regular basis if you are selling stuff. So click on choose subscription. Once you choose subscription, you go to choose. You have variety of packages here. So choose based on your what your requirements are and what you're looking for and what's your business depending on your store and everything. So choose any of these. So any of these packages here. So choose it and make the payment and set up the payments. And then what happens is that eBay will actually will process your request, and then you once you get approved, and they will set up a specific store link for you, and then you can like get into it and then customize your store and then add your inventory, like do all the customizations and everything, and set it up nicely and all those things that you can do. So the same thing applies if you are opening another store as well, the same thing. So it's the same process. So we just have to get your subscription and then do all these things. So that's pretty much that's how we actually do it at the moment. So since I don't have a subscription, or I'm not intending to open a shop, so I'm not going to like buy any subscription yet. But if you are planning to sell on a regular basis, or and you want to set up your store, then you should definitely get a subscription. So that's pretty much it is. Hope this information and video is helpful. I'll see you guys in another video. Thank you.